Emerald Waterways, we understand that all of our guests have different requirements, which is why we offer a range of stylish and spacious suites to choose from. Emerald Panorama Balcony and Grand Balcony Suites boast a revolutionary indoor balcony design, complete with decked area, table and chairs. Whilst our one-bedroom owner suites have a separate bedroom which closes off from the rest of the cabin and an individual lounge area. They include special features like a large bathroom, a walk-in wardrobe and iPad. In Grand Balcony and Owner's Suites, you'll also have use of an espresso machine, and in the Owner's Suite you can enjoy a complimentary minibar which is restocked daily. If you're cruising on the Emerald Radiance on the Douro River, we've introduced a new category called Riverview Suites. Located at the rear of the ship on the horizon deck and boasting floor-to-ceiling windows encasing our innovative balcony, the two suites offer unspoiled panoramic vistas of the river. No matter which room you opt for, you'll enjoy your own ensuite bathroom, comfortable hotel-style beds, flat-screen TV and infotainment centre. Bottled water is restocked daily, plus on Emerald Waterways, Wi-Fi comes as standard.